a cuter bikini than this one? Oh my gosh, I have not. The freaking ruffles, it's so girly, so fun. I literally have this one in every single color and every single print because how could you not? High-waisted, full coverage, does not ride up, stays right in place. I'm like, she keeping it modest. You even have the cutie little bow ties there on the side, so you can cinch them up, making more of a higher cut, or you can bring it down how I have it. The top feels supportive, it is padded, and you have the adjustable strap, so you can go ahead and adjust it however you need it to be. So many good options to choose from. It's going to make it hard to just choose one. I'm going to put that link below in case you want to snag it.
Code 7 is small, 100 pesos. Code 7, size is small. Ma'am, Miss Pro, yours na 100. Madam Miss Pro, kalapastangan ng Okay, next na. Nalobat. Okay, next na CZ. Purple. Ay, 3 in 1. Madalang to ang mga purplet. XL mga madam, 169 lakh 189. Pang top-top pa yan, no? XL CZ with cover up. XL, 169 lakh 189. Code ng 3. Code ako ng 3. Code 3, madam. Code 3. Code 3, madam. Code 3. 169 years at madam. Lovely. Lovely in the box. 169. Thank you, madam. Next na tayo. Another. Size na to, madam. Ito, 1 piece. 2XL. 100 2XL. Code 1. Code 1, 2XL. 100 pesos. Code 1, madam. Code 1, 2XL. 100 pesos. Code 1 CZ. Pa-code ng 1. Wala dyan, sis. Next na tayo. Another CZ. Ay, ang ganda nung pagka-green, oh. Large mga madam, dainty floral, tali likod. Large mga madam, ha, high waist, double lining. 100 pesos large. Code ng 9. Code 9, size large. 100 pesos. Yours ito, ma'am Queen. 100 pesos. Corona. 100 pesos. Yours na. Okay, thank you. Next na tayo, mga madam. Another. Size large, mga madam, tie-dye. Self-tie top. Self-tie shanty large. 100 pesos. Code ng 27. Code 27, size large. 100 pesos. Code ng 27, size large. 100 pesos. Code 27. Ayan, size large mga madam, ha. Code ng 27. Large, 100 pesos. Wali John. Okay, next. We another, large. 100, code ng 74. Madalang ang one piece Code 74, large, 100 pesos. Code ng 74, mare, large, 100 pesos. 74 ang code large, 100, code 74. Size large, 100 pesos. 74 ang code. Ayan, large to be 100 pesos. Next. Ma'am, sa likod 139 lakh 169 lang yan. Tap nyo, pang 1.3M. At pa push XL. Ang ganda ni XL, oh. Madam 100, papush ang cup. XL 100. Code ng 9. Code 9, code ako 9. XL, 100 pesos. Lang. Code 9 CZ. Code 9, madam. Code 9. Size XL. Walay dito CZ. Next na tayo. Next room. Okay, another. Otomi. Size ito mga CZ ko ay XL. O, palak sa likod. Ma'am, visible ka. Mamaya pa sa likod. Ang 1.3. Sinagot ko kanina. XL mga madam ha, 100. Code ng 4, code 4. XL, 100 pesos. Code 4, code 4. Size XL. Mamaya pa yung size and tag niyan, girl. Tap-tap ka muna dyan. Hello. Hello, bili na mi ng isang host sa same profile na nanonood. Sino nag-block sa'yo, Ma'am Lenny? Sa kabilang live? Wait lang. Yours na to, Madam Rose Ann. Rose Ann, 100 yours na. Meron pa mi, yung till na medium meron. Okay. Yours na yan, Madam Rose Ann. Rose Ann. Wait lang, CZ ha. Rose Ann, 100. Thank you, Madam Rose Ann. 100. Wait lang, hanapin ko lang yung medium. Okay. Wait. Medium. Sana ito yung medium. Atabe, medium. Yours na. Madam Mrs. Adelval. Mrs. Adelval, yours na to, 120. Adelval. Okay. Okay na to, Mi? Yours na. 139. 139, madam. Mrs. Adelval. Thank you, CZ. Ano, ma'am? Another. Thank you din, ma'am. Next. Ay, hulog. Okay, next na tayo. Hindi, madam. Kailangan po ay tatlo. Dalawa, minimum 2 pieces. Okay, size is small halter. 100 pesos.